A lot of you might want to only put a smaller amount in, and you might be just looking comparable to any 60-40, mutual fund split that he might get. He would not carelessly start taking out 8% a year, knowing that he would deplete his account before he died. Hey there, I am John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm walking around the snow here, and I'm checking out this plane that's exploring around me, and I'm south of Lake Tahoe, and we've got about 10 feet of snow all over the place, packed and soft, and some icy places, but mostly it's soft. And I want to talk to you about a gentleman that I'm working with right now. He has $162,000. He's going to put it into an annuity, and it's going to pay him $17,000 per year. You might be thinking, well, that's not enough. Well, for him it is, because he's got other pension money and Social Security, and he's only using like 9% of his assets to do it. So he's doing pretty good. But I wanted to show this just because as an example, because a lot of my stories, I'm talking about 500 grand and $1 million. A lot of you might want to only put a smaller amount in, and you might be just looking for just an extra little bit of income. And for him, he just, it'll give him almost $1,500 a month, and it's perfect. That's what he's looking for. It's with F&G. He's going to let it grow. Let me check my notes here. 4 years at 7.2%. And then at the end of 4 years, it's going to have a benefit base of $214,000, and that'll be multiplied by 7.9%. And that's going to give him that $17,000 a year for the rest of his life. And I think about that ratio. I'm like, all right, he's going to take $214,000. He's going to, let me just pull this out here. He's going to take 214, multiply it by 7.9, which is basically almost 8%, and get lifetime income. And I think, wow, that is double the safe withdrawal rate that advisors would tell you to do. So what if he just put that in a 60-40 split, the 162, let it grow for 4 years, and it would probably average around the same 7%, except his real cash value, not his benefit value, would be 214. But still, he'd have to use that 214,000 to generate the same lifetime income, and he would not carelessly start taking out 8% a year, knowing that he would deplete his account before he died. And so, what better to do than to put it into a vehicle that gives that guaranteed growth no matter what, and has a withdrawal rate that's like double the safe withdrawal rate, and it's guaranteed and contractual for the rest of your life. Yeah, so that's why I wanted to share this particular one with you, because it's not like the amount of money. I mean, you can put $1 million in here. You can do the math. You can make more. But I wanted just to talk about this because he's taking double the safe withdrawal rate. He's getting a decent return that is comparable to any 60-40, mutual fund split that he might get, having, a mix of stocks and bonds and trying to keep his money safe until he retires. Like, he doesn't have to do that. He can just throw it into an annuity contract that gives him the same growth for the benefit base, not the account value. Okay, I'll be totally transparent. The account value won't grow that much, maybe 3% a year. But he's not doing it for the account value. He's doing it for the income. That's what he's doing it for. So it works great. And he's taking 8% out, which none of us would ever do. In our right mind, we would never do that with our regular funds. So anyways, it's winter by Tahoe. I'm walking around in snow. You can see it's pretty good. Nice. They call this hard packed, although it feels softer than that. We haven't had snow here for a couple weeks, but you can see it's still super nice. Anyways, I'll do some more videos of these walking around the forest. It's soft, it's quiet out here, and I figured you'd enjoy it just as much as I do. So if you miss the winter and you want to experience winter out here, come on out. You'll like it. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the story. It's a real life story of a real client that I am helping, and there's many that I help that are in that situation that are just looking for that contractual guarantee without having to deal with the hypothetical of what their money might be doing in a mutual fund or something else. So anyways, if that's helpful to you, great. If not, let me know as well. Comment below if you got questions or comments. And if you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, share. And if you want to book a call and you're thinking, I'd like John to help me buy an annuity, then there's a link below this video. It goes directly to my calendar and we'll get on a Zoom meeting. Otherwise, go to my website, check out the rates there, and you can book a call with me there as well. It's johnstevenson.com. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the views. Hope you enjoyed the video and the content. Hopefully it is giving you some value. I enjoy sharing, and it's just super important to be transparent. I show everything. I don't care what you buy. It doesn't matter to me. You might buy something that makes me 1.5% commission, and you might buy something that makes me 7%. Obviously, I'd love to sell you something that makes me 7, but that does not happen all the time. More often than not, it does not happen. But it is okay, because if it's getting you the most income and it's giving you the best rate, that is what is important, okay? And every advisor should be doing that. Every advisor should be selling based off of your need. And everyone knows they should be, but it's easy when you look at the dollars, you look at the commission percentage, it's easy to push someone another way and justify it. Just don't let someone do that to you. You do your homework, you get a chance to do it, check out my calculators, and that will help you decide what is best for you. So anyways, thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.